media commentator Martins Vincent Otse, known as Verydarkman, the chief superintendent of the online division, has responded to the concerns raised by Speed Darlington's lawyer. Verydarkman advised Burna Boy to take Darlington to court. He said that if Burna Boy was involved in the case, he should take action against the singer and get his money back. Verydarkman also expressed his disapproval of Darlington's actions and mentioned that he was upset about Darlington involving Burna Boy's mother. He emphasized that he values his own mother and takes her seriously. In the video, Verydarkman expressed that Nigeria's judicial system is in disarray. He mentioned that he often felt people paid bribes to avoid proper judgment in cases. VDM shared his own experience of being held in detention without the option for bail. The activist also pointed out that many innocent individuals are stuck in prison for months or even years due to corruption in the system. Some social media users like Stan Alieke expressed frustration over the singer being held in detention for a week without bail. In a video posted by the TikToker, he stated that it's unfair for Darlington to remain in detention for so long without the option for bail. The activist described the situation as a form of oppression and misuse of power by the police. NaijaNews reported that NaijaNews, who was the counsel for the singer, confirmed that Speed Darlington was arrested by police officers in Owerri, the Imo State capital, via his X page. Deji also alleged that Burna Boy was using the Nigerian police to harass his client, despite singing against oppressing and claiming he is Fela Jr. Additionally, it is worth noting that Speed Darlington once criticized Burna Boy's mother, stating she needed to ask for his forgiveness for her son. We will continue to monitor the story for more fresh updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.